Before we start the video, I'd like to talk to you about a new tool that we are using called eva.guru. This is a software stack that provides dashboard reporting, inventory management, profitability reports, reimbursements that run automatically, and my favorite, the dynamic pricing tool. Simply put, this tool helps Amazon sellers put more money in their pocket at the end of every month. Use promo code FIRINGTHEMAN50 to get 50% off your first month of eva.guru. Now, onto the video.
The next problem we have, and this is essentially a problem for every single Amazon seller that's ever sold on Amazon. Amazon is such a very, very large company, and they have so many FCs, fulfillment centers. They have so many workers, and things happen. Errors happen, mistakes happen. And so as a seller, if you're using FBA, which most everybody does to be successful, you're shipping your inventory into Amazon, right? You're sending in 1,000 units or 5,000 units, and they make mistakes. They lose them, they break them, they do whatever. And so as a seller, we really have no control over that. So is there a function of Eva that can help out with getting reimbursements?
Yeah, and this is like one of the best features that I really like with Eva, because it's very easy to show the value. I mean, it's always when we talk about pricing, advertising, people are, hey, it's great, but how can I see it? But reimbursements, it's like cash, sent back to your account in that disbursement report. And so everybody loves this reimbursements. Now, one of the things that we do about this reimbursements is like we look after 20 plus categories. And this month, by the way, we had a record of almost $10 million recovery for the Amazon sellers. And when I talk about this to new sellers, like they got surprised. Oh, if Amazon lost my stuff, I thought they are paying for it. Like they don't think that like maybe there is a need for reimbursements, and they are to some extent correct, right? Because the dashboard that I'm showing you right now is also showing this orange bar. The orange bar is like what Amazon automatically reimburses. So Amazon is trying to do a good job there and already reimbursing if there is lost or damaged items. And there's like 20 plus categories, as I said. But unfortunately, even if they are with their best effort, they are missing a lot of reimbursements that are not recovered automatically by Amazon. And this can be between 1 to 3% of your monthly sales. So in a nutshell, if your revenue is $100,000 a month, we are talking about $1,000 to $3,000 that can be recovered by the Eva team. We detect this automatically. Everything is like automated, but according to Amazon terms of service, you cannot automatically open cases. So we have a huge team that is like, opening the cases, claiming that, money for the sellers. Now, the another beautiful thing about it is the reimbursement recovery fee for Eva is 13% for the Eva subscribers, which means they only pay 13% for every single recovery. So if we recover $100, we take $13. If we recover nothing, we take nothing. So kind of a simple, straightforward service. No-brainer. Everybody should use it.
Yes, this is probably one of my favorite features of Eva. Excellent. David, over to you. Real quick before you go, thanks for watching the video. And if you found value in this video in any way, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. And stay tuned for new videos. If you have ideas or suggestions for future videos, put them in the comments below. David and I will pop in there and we'll make some more content. Appreciate it.